Want to display regional maps on your dashboards or web reports? Using Google Sheets, you can turn geographic data into interactive maps and embed them directly into your Agency Analytics dashboards or reports. Let's walk through how it works. Start by opening a Google Sheet. Add the location names you want to display, such as countries or regions, in one column, and the numeric values you want to visualize in another. Once your data is ready, select both columns. From the top menu, click Insert, choose Chart, then open the Chart Type drop-down. Select either GeoChart or GeoChart with markers. This creates a map that visually represents your data, either as color-coded regions or colored markers based on the values you've provided. Under the Customize tab, you can adjust the chart style, including background color, border color, and font. You can also customize how locations or markers are colored by setting values for maximum, middle, minimum, or no data. Want to zoom in on a specific area? Use the region filter to select where the map should focus, such as Europe, North America, or the United States. When the viewers hover over a location, they'll see the location name along with its corresponding data value. Once your map looks the way you want, it's time to embed it into your dashboard or report. In Google Sheets, click File, then Share, and choose Publish to Web. Select Embed, choose the sheet containing your map, and copy the iframe code. Now head back to your Agency Analytics dashboard or report. Click Embeds from the right-hand side menu, then drag an Embed widget onto the page. Next, select iframe and paste your Google Sheets embed code into the URL field. Your regional map will now appear directly on your dashboard or report. You can now move the widget by dragging it or resize it using the bottom right corner. One quick note, embed widgets aren't supported in PDF downloads, since the PDFs don't allow embedded content. And that's it. With Google Sheets Maps, you can bring regional performance data to life and give clients a clear visual view of how their data breaks down geographically. Ready to start mapping your data? Start your free trial of Agency Analytics, the purpose-built platform agencies trust to deliver results.